guys, so we have our bands on and we are going right into Sunburn Music.
We are excited.
Let's go, day one.
Excited. I didn't get my
Where is the gate number 1? You know? GA VIP entry की तरफ तो वो कहाँ है? बॉक्स ऑफिस टिकट मिलेगी वहीं पे आजा रैल्फ You got your band? Nice, let's go.
Alright, yes. So, look at Sunburn.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so we are entering into the Sunburn Music Festival right now. Look at this. Look at this. How are you feeling? Alright guys, so we are entering Sunburn Music Festival right now. Thank you. Alright. So this is our stage 1. This is called the Hyundai stage. So Sunburn 2025 में अंदर घुसते ही जो पहला स्टेज आपको दिखता है वो ये Hyundai स्टेज है. अब हम चल रहे हैं दूसरे स्टेज की तरफ which is called the Tuborg stage. Let's go there. यहाँ पर थोड़ी एनर्जी ज़्यादा दिख रही है मेरे को. Let's see. और ये सब बार्स हैं यहाँ पे उस स्टेज के इस बाजू में ही. यहाँ से you can get your drinks and all. Okay, your whiskeys, पानी की bottles, and you can also top up your card. So basically यहाँ cash नहीं चलता है. You have to load up this QR code with some amount of money और इससे फिर you pay everywhere. That's what you do. Now let's go to the second stage. This is called the Tuborg stage. Might not know why, but baby tonight we're beautiful now. We'll light up the sky, we'll open your eyes. 'Cause baby tonight we're beautiful now. That is truly a place for you guys. Live from the Tuborg stage of Sunburn Music Festival, 19th December, day 1. Let's go. That was the second stage. This way Julia Bliss was live and she was absolutely smashing the stage. And now I'm gonna show you what all do we have at Sunburn 2025. So this is a sort of a chill zone. You can sit here, take any of the couches and just relax. Apart from that, let's see, I think we have a draft beer set up here. You can have your beers here. And then we have some more shops. These seems like to be eateries. We have Hokko ice cream as well. Okay. Beautiful Sunburn logo here. Excuse me. Can you just hold it? Just keep me in the frame. Okay, I'll just go stand there. Camera, it doesn't look really that big. We are a Sunburn 2025. Let's see what else do we have here. Alright, so now I am heading towards the third stage. It's called the Rupe stage. देखते हैं यहाँ पर how the देखते हैं यहाँ पे किस टाइप के आर्टिस्ट प्ले कर रहे हैं. Tupac was a smashing. I think out of the two stages that I've seen, Tupac was better. Now this is the Rupe stage. Let's see. Alright guys, so that was the stage. This is what I was saying.
Yeah, you watched it. Yeah, the countdown he was like this.
So that was stage 3 of Sunburn Music Festival. Now we are going to the main stage. Let's go. Okay guys, so Almost Human just completed his set and now we are waiting for the one and only Dub Vision going back to back with third party on the main stage right now.
How could I?
Alright ladies and gentlemen, so Almost Human just completed his set and now Dub Vision third party going back to back on main stage. Day 1, Sunburn, let's go!
Right now,
Let's go!
it's the big boys in the business, right? If you guys are ready, make some
mental on the main stage right now. Fucking crazy. Every fucking song is a goddamn banger. Oh fuck. Another one.
This way. Right here, right now, right here, right now, right here, right now, right here, right now. Everybody, 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 everybody. Let me see those beautiful hands up high. Put your hands up for Detroit. I love this here.
Day one. Let's go.
Blow, blow, blow.
Okay.
Alright guys, so that was it for the day. Day one is wrapped up now. Sarah Landry is still performing, but I'm music right now. So the day was good. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.